Thokoza abagogo nomkholisana kwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi umavula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Gogo bengiyitshena ukuthi yonke into right. Gogo konke bekuhamba kahle. Gogo kunje gogo kunje gogo uyazi bengiphila impilo gogo, everything was going okay. But suddenly cars, they've turned on accidents. Insurances don't want to pay. My shop got robbed. Insurance doesn't want to pay. There's just a lot of things that happened in a very short period of time, and everything. I thought I've got everything. I've lost a family member whom I thought I have insured and everything. When we go there, when we went to Capitec said, no, that policy was long collapsed. A long time. We still have the policy number, but it has collapsed because of obvious non-payments. There's a lot. There's that and that and that and that and that and that and that. Gogo, what then to do? How do I get out of this? Gogo, does Muti really works? That maybe kungaba umbuzo wakho loyo ukuthi ngempela gogo lento ekuthiwa umuthi iyasebenza yini uma isebenza ngandlelani? Umbuzo loyo ungenzeka ukuthi ube nawo, which is a fair question, ukuthi if muti does really works, how does it works? What are fundamentals, functions of umuti? Have we ever asked ourselves such questions? Or we just use umuti, to say, I went to Gogo bathini, hey unginike lo muthi lona, ayi yabona lana, hayi uzwa nangephunga nje ukuthi hayi ushala hayi. Okay. And it doesn't matter where you get your muti from. Whether you got it from Gogo bathini who went to Angola, who went to India, or you got it from somebody who got it local, or they got it in Nigeria, it doesn't matter. What you need to bother yourself is understand the fundamentals of muti.